Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brandon here for RC Nightmare. Today I'm giving you an Axial Wraith tutorial. This one's all about the drive shafts. So we've been doing a lot of upgrades on a Wraith, as you can see. The next step is to beef up the drivetrain. Now the stock drivetrain is okay for the stock setup. If you're running a stock battery, stock motor, you probably have no problems with it. But unfortunately, once you start putting any kind of power through it, you're going to see the weaknesses. So here I have the stock drive shaft in front of me. This is plastic telescoping. We do have metal outdrives and CVDs on here, but unfortunately they attach to two plastic pieces. So again, they went a little extra. I mean, it's not all plastic. You got some metal in there, but once you start applying any kind of decent power to this thing, they're going to give you some trouble. And yeah, you can upgrade these stock pieces to make them a little stronger, but we like MIP, and thankfully they came out with a heavy-duty axle drive shaft made just for the Axial Wraith. So this is their piece here. Now this is solid steel. There is no plastic on here at all, and it's all hardened steel. On top of that, we have a lot more beef to it. There's a lot more metal. If you look at the CVDs side by side, how much beefier this piece is here, there's just a lot more mass to it. They're using thicker pins, just beefier components all around. Obviously, there's a lot more weight to it. We're not too concerned about that. What's really nice is this is a spline telescoping. So you can see here we have metal splines going into metal splines. It's an extremely strong joint. It can take a lot of torque, and you get that little bit of telescoping from the suspension compresses. So these are very easy to install. There's a little bit of building. You've got to assemble the CVDs, the CVD joint yourself. It's really not that hard. It only goes together one way. You slide in the joint, the pins, put the set screw on there, and it's a done deal. I add a little black grease for longevity. In terms of installing on the vehicle, this is really simple. There's no mods at all. You grab the stock pins that were included with it. You slide it onto the output shaft, and you screw her down. Screw it down nice and snug. That's a done deal. Same for the trans side, and I'll get you a close-up shot of this right away. You slide it over the stock output axle and the trans, and you put in your original pin. So there's no extra parts needed. You buy the CVD, you buy the drive shaft kit from MIP, build the CVDs, throw it on there, and now your drivetrain is next to bulletproof. As you can tell, we're going to be doing a little bit of power upgrades on this thing, so we got a true high-speed basher. We love the Wraith, but it needs these upgrades before you can have a lot of fun with it. So if you have any questions about this, comment down below. Try to get all your questions answered there. While you're at it, check out our website. It's rcnightmare.com. Brand new, just revamped it. Jeremy's done a lot of work on there for you guys. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you soon.